Hello friends, today I am making beef tikka or mutton tikka. I am using 1 kg boneless mutton or beef, but I am using beef. For marination I need 2 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1.5 teaspoon garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon vinegar, 2 tablespoon oil, and 2 tablespoon yogurt. I will put everything in meat and mix it. First I am putting 2 tablespoon of vinegar on it, two tablespoon cooking oil, dry masalas, and 2 tablespoon of yogurt. And now I will mix it. Mix everything very well and then leave it in fridge for 48 hours. Mix it very well and put in fridge for 48 hours. Then I will cook it in heavy pan. I'm not using any meat tenderizer. It will be soft because I will cook it on really low flame. We will see you then. Today I am using beef. If you want to use lamb or goat, boneless, you can use it. Method is same for everything. Now beef tikka is marinating since 4 days, so I am putting this in iron pan and I will put on low flame. It will be stay covered for 15 minutes and then we will check it. Now we are cooking on medium heat for 25 minutes. We are cooking this since 25 minutes on medium heat. It is fully cooked. You can see when I crush it with spoon, it is easily can break. It is fully cooked. It is tender now. When I touch it like this, it can easily smush. Now I will dry it and put some green chilies in it, and it's ready to serve. Now you can see it is ready, so let's serve it. It is dry. If we make more dry, then meat will be really dry, so you can see it, and it is ready to serve now.